Yes, you heard it right. Hey everyone, today I am here to share with you all about my new keyboard. So the name of this keyboard is Max Plus and brand is Zebronics. Max Plus is a sturdy USB mechanical keyboard with 104 keys along with 12 additional multimedia keys. This is a premium keyboard with 10 LED modes and 5 LED brightness levels and comes with LED speed modes as well. It's a heavy duty keyboard. It has outemu blue switches which produces maximum clicky sounds. Gamers dream Max Plus is a full-size mechanical keyboard and gives you perfect tactile feel and acoustic feedback. The key press are recognizable and gives a distinct clicky sound which helps you in accurate typing with less efforts. I purchased this keyboard from Amazon.in, so I have provided the link in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. So I'll quickly unwrap this. So I'll quickly read out the features. It has got integrated multimedia keys, USB, N key rollover, braided cable, removable switches and key caps, anti-dust design, multicolor LED, heavy duty 10 LED modes, 5 levels of brightness and 6 LED speed modes. So I'll just quickly unbox it and I'll show you what is all inside the box. Inside the box, there is a leaflet of do's and don'ts, and this keyboard comes with a warranty of 1 year from the date of purchase. The build and design quality is excellent. It weighs around 1.5 kgs, but that means while typing the keyboard stays at its place and you won't be disturbed at all. Also, it has anti-dust design. Max comes with high quality USB connector and long 1.8 meter extra strong braided USB cable. Now let's see the different LED modes. This is the wave pattern as the LED lights are moving like a wave. Now let's check out the other one. So here the lights are blinking and each row has a different color. This is for gamers, the specific keys are lit up, and this is the snake pattern. And the other one is light per click, so when you're clicking a specific button, it lights up. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. See you in my next video. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling.